Welcome to this brief introduction to the general principles of law in Nigeria. Law is the foundation of any organized society, providing structure, order, and justice. In Nigeria, the legal system is shaped by multiple sources, including the constitution, legislation, judicial precedents, and customary laws. So, what exactly is law? Law is a system of rules created and enforced by a governing authority to regulate conduct and ensure justice. It serves as a guide for individuals, organizations, and the government to maintain peace and order. Without laws, society would be chaotic, and disputes would have no formal means of resolution. Nigeria operates under a mixed legal system, incorporating different legal traditions. There are three major legal sources in Nigeria: statutory law, common law, and customary law. Statutory law consists of laws passed by the National Assembly and state legislatures, covering aspects like criminal law, contract law, and property law. Common law, inherited from British colonial rule, is based on judicial decisions and principles of equity, filling in gaps where statutory law is silent. Customary law includes traditional laws practiced by different ethnic groups, and Islamic law, or Sharia, applies in some northern states based on Islamic principles. A fundamental principle of law in Nigeria is the supremacy of the Constitution. The 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the highest legal authority in the country. It defines the structure of government, the rights of citizens, and the separation of powers among the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. Any law that contradicts the Constitution is considered null and void. The concept of the rule of law is also crucial. This principle ensures that everyone, including the government, is subject to the law. It guarantees fairness, accountability, and justice in society. The rule of law also protects fundamental human rights, such as the right to life, freedom of expression, and freedom of movement. Another essential principle is the doctrine of separation of powers. This means the three arms of government, the executive, legislature, and judiciary, function independently to prevent abuse of power. The executive, led by the president and state governors, enforces laws. The legislature, consisting of the National Assembly and state houses of assembly, makes laws. The judiciary, represented by the courts, interprets and applies laws. The Nigerian legal system also emphasizes due process. Due process ensures that legal proceedings are conducted fairly and that individuals accused of crimes are given a chance to defend themselves before an impartial court. This principle prevents wrongful convictions and upholds justice. In civil law, contracts are significant in everyday transactions. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. It must involve an offer, acceptance, consideration, and the intention to create legal relations. Breach of contract can lead to legal consequences, including compensation for damages. Criminal law deals with offenses against the state or individuals. Crimes such as theft, assault, and fraud are punishable under Nigerian law. The principle of presumption of innocence applies, meaning an accused person is considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. As Nigeria continues to develop, its legal system adapts to modern challenges like cybercrime, environmental protection, and human rights enforcement. The legal profession, including lawyers and judges, plays a crucial role in upholding justice and ensuring laws are applied fairly and effectively. In summary, the general principles of law in Nigeria include the supremacy of the Constitution, the rule of law, separation of powers, due process, and the application of civil and criminal law. Understanding these principles is essential for maintaining justice, resolving disputes, and ensuring a stable society. Please subscribe, like, and share for more videos from Open Distance and Flexible e-learning, Auchi Polytechnic, Auchi. Thank you for watching this introduction to the general principles of law in Nigeria. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the law is the foundation of order and justice in any society.